Hey everyone, this is Rose and welcome to my random channel. Well, this is going to be another Insomniac review on the third CBD product I've ever tried, Calm Wellness. Hemp CBD products are basically products that are made from hemp. It's usually converted into an oil, and of course that oil contains no THC whatsoever. And then these products are then used to help with anxiety, insomnia like myself, body aches and pains. And so the company I'm going to talk to you today again is Calm Wellness. A very innovative, very detail oriented, and I would say it's a pretty unique company. This being the third CBD product I've ever tried, this company offers a lot of different types of products that you can use besides the oil, besides the one that I am going to show you guys today. There will be timestamps down in the description, and also I'm sure future Rose, when she was editing this, put it in the beginning of the video in case you're not interested in learning about the company specifically, about the different products, and if you just want to get to what my experience was with using this for the last 3 weeks, you should definitely check out those timestamps. Oh, well, maybe I should talk to you about my insomnia history in case this is the first Insomniac review of mine that you've watched. I can link up in the cards my whole playlist. You'll know over the course of the last 6 years, I've tried so many things, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this out there. I know my method to my madness is not the best or most conducive for trying sleep aid products, but let me just tell you, again, if you don't care to hear about my insomniac history, then you can totally skip this. I have had insomnia since I was a child. Of course, when I was a child, I didn't know what it was. I'm very sensitive to light and to sound. Like, I can't, once I'm asleep, the littlest thing can wake me up, basically is what I'm saying. And since I was a kid, it's like my brain doesn't want to turn off, and everything that I probably shouldn't be thinking about, I will start thinking about, and I've been this way since I was a child. Now, I've been on prescription meds before. I didn't really like the after effects and how habit forming that was for me. And then, you know, of course, over the years, I've taken over-the-counter sleep aids, and unfortunately, my tolerance is really high. So, of course, I would start off taking 2 pills, and then that would stop doing anything for me. That would go up to 3. I could think of one over-the-counter sleep aid I've taken before where I got up to 5 pills, which is not safe, and who knows what that did or what that has done to my body. My bedroom currently has no artificial lighting. The light bulb in my ceiling fan, it's not even in. I have blackout curtains. I have no television in my bedroom. When I go to sleep at night, I have an old school alarm clock on my nightstand. My cell phone normally stays in a different room charged. I've done the whole, like, taking a relaxing bath, forcing myself to lay in bed in complete darkness, and I do sleep with a fan on, and my apartment's set to a specific temperature. But I can tell you, I will still lay there for 2 to 3 hours, wide awake. Like, my brain just does not want to shut off. And so over the years, if you look at my Insomniac review playlist, you'll see that I've tried many different things: melatonin, other all-natural alternatives, other over-the-counter sleep aids, even some interesting new inventive stuff like a sleep patch. I have tried, this will be my third CBD product. The first one was gummies, which it kind of had an effect on me. And then I actually just recently tried another oil, what actually worked really well. It did have some cons. And so here is the third product that I've tried, and this is actually the oil I am currently using. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do for you guys is show you basically how this package arrived. the creator of Calm by Wellness, we actually had a Skype session, and he offered me a coupon code where I could order this specific product and get it for free in exchange for an honest review. And so that is what I'm doing for you guys, folks. It came in this very simple box, and then this is actually the logo of the company. This piece of paper, Calm by Wellness actually has a 30-day money-back guarantee, and then another little message with their social media information, which I will have their website linked along with all their social media information in case you want to go and check them out for yourself. And then they actually had a promotion going where whenever you ordered anything, you got this little baggie of gummy samples to try, which I'm actually pretty excited to try those. And then this fun, you know, crinkle paper. And then here is my bottle. I really like the packaging. It's like a nice, sleek, white bottle. And then all the nutritional information, warnings and specifics are on there. And the product that I am going to review specifically is their full spectrum hemp extract, the Consciously Calm. This is actually, I don't think this is actually the sleep aid oil that they offer, which has me even more interested in trying that next. This is the calming peppermint flavored oil, and this has 250 milligrams of CBD. It's 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. And the flavoring is completely all natural. If you look at the ingredients list, you see that it contains organic premium hemp seed oil, proprietary blend full spectrum hemp extract oil, organic fractionated coconut oil, organic peppermint essential oils, and it does have stevia extract to add a slight sweetness to it. But yes, before I get into my vlog footage and my final thoughts, I'm going to tell you more about the company Calm by Wellness, because they offer actually a really unique assortment of different CBD products. First, I will talk about Calm by Wellness offers the best THC-free hemp-based products grown and shipped from the US, free shipping in the USA, broad spectrum CBD. Again, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, ISO 9001 certified. I remember he went into deep detail about that, about how their oil and their hemp is like quality tested. They go through so many steps, how, you know, you could buy a product online or in a store and it may not be properly certified and tested, so it could include weird funky things like pesticides and metals and things like that and other random ingredients. Of course, it's THC free, ships worldwide, non-toxic, CGMP certified. They offer 5 different products, or they offer 4 different types of products. They offer the tinctures, I think that's how it's pronounced. It's basically the oil that you would ingest directly by putting it underneath your tongue, or you can mix it in with like your tea, whatever beverage you prefer. Now they actually flavor their oils, which I actually do appreciate, because I recently tried another company that was 100% pure, no flavoring, nothing added, and the taste of that oil was pretty terrible. Like, I kid you not, it was like you were swishing bong water in your mouth, to put it lightly. And so if you have a sensitive palate, I don't know if you'll be able to handle that. I can say that this tastes actually very good. It basically just tastes like I'm ingesting peppermint oil. But they do offer the oil. They have the peppermint calm, the peppermint flavor. They have a strawberry lemonade flavor. They actually have a chill oil, which is specifically for relaxation, and it's a chocolate mint flavor. They have a focus oil that is orange flavored, orange and hibiscus flavored. And then they actually do have a sleep oil that is specifically for insomnia, which is probably what I'm gonna try next. And it has a blueberry lavender flavor to it. So the first positive thing I can say about the oils from Calm by Wellness is that they all, well, at least the one that I've tried, tastes very good. It doesn't taste bad at all. And they offer the oils in 250 milligram doses, 500 milligram doses, and 1,000 milligram doses. A one-time purchase of it, the 250 milligram, which is the one that I tested, is $50. Now they do have a monthly subscription program, which you can save 10%. Just to give you a good idea of the price range, the 500 milligram bottle is $64. The 1,000 milligram bottle is $128. The second product they offer are gummies, which you get a month's supply. And then they actually have topicals for like arthritis and body aches and pains. They have a muscle gel relief, and they have a lavender lotion. They also have a night cream for the face. And then they actually have a lip balm, which I think is pretty neat. And then the last product they offer are actually treats for your pets, which I think is adorable. They have a bacon flavored treat and a peanut butter flavored treat for animals that may suffer from anxiety, hyperactiveness, and aggressive behavior. So if you're wondering what I'm looking at, I have my iPad right here. Calm by Wellness was founded by a passionate group of farmers, scientists, researchers, and individuals who believe that everyone deserves to be their best self. Our mission is to help people find calm in their everyday life. They develop their products through extensive research so that they can produce the very best formula for their customers, and they make it easy by providing a hassle-free 30-day trial. They have in-house farmers in Colorado, Oregon, and Northern California. They have in-house scientists. They use a lab about 10 minutes from their main office, specifically for all their testing. And then all of their products also go through third-party testing. So we are honest about only selling 100% organic, quality-tested products. And so they compare themselves to other companies that normally outsource farmers, outsource science labs, and they don't quality test. And so everything they do in-house with their product basically explains why they have to sell their products at the price that they sell them. Their website actually has the list of doctors that back them up that are also their advisors, which I think is pretty neat. And then they actually have on their website their certificates of analysis in CBD quality and customer service, in which the report I'm looking at now was approved and dated July 2nd of this year, 2019. It's pretty neat. But yes, so I think I've hopefully haven't completely bored you guys. I'm gonna quickly cut to, this video is probably gonna already be 30 minutes. Cut to my vlog footage of a few days that I documented using this, and then you will come back to me, current Rose, in which I will give you my final thoughts.
Sure, this meant the gore got dialed down a bit, but it also set a new series as a viable franchise, opening the doors at Camp Crystal Lake.
I would just like to say that after 4 hours, I was asleep. Not after 4 hours, oh my god. After 45 minutes, I was asleep. And then I slept for probably about 3 hours and 45 minutes before I woke up for the first time. And then an hour later, my alarm went off. So I think tonight I'm gonna test it with 2 vials and we will see what happens. Why don't I choose to do this the most awkward way possible? I have to say this tastes very pleasant in comparison to the other, in comparison to one other one I've recently tried that tastes terrible. I think this is child-proof. I'm a child. Push down while turning. Alright, so it did take me a little bit longer, or not a little bit, it took about the normal amount of time for me to fall asleep last night. Probably about an hour and 15 minutes at least, maybe 90. So I know 2 hours, even though some companies say 15 minutes, they can act. 2 hours is like the normal time frame. So that was night 2. Woke up not feeling groggy at all. We'll see how night 3 goes. I'm actually interested in taking this to work, and when I like get the urge to really hurt or kill people, for me to take it and see what happens. So I might give that a try. Jumping in really quick about last night. I was asleep within 90 minutes. And I slept for, I would say, a good 4.5 hours straight, and then woke up within an hour of my alarm going off. So overall, how do I feel about this Calm product? I actually really love it. One thing I do appreciate is the taste. This peppermint flavor actually tastes just like I'm ingesting a lightly flavored peppermint oil. I use this not only to help myself sleep, but to also, I have used this before when I've had a headache and actually a stomach ache, and it helps me with it. I'm a huge fan of this. Again, I've told you guys my history when it comes to going through and taking different sleep aids. This is a healthier, more natural alternative. Who knows what prescription sleep pills, over-the-counter sleep pills, sleeping pills, what type of effect that has on your body internally. But also, even I recall with my prescription medication, how habit forming that became. And I will admit, in the last 3 weeks that I've been taking this, I've had some nights where I didn't take it, where it didn't even cross my mind, because by the time that I got home, got off work, decompressed, I've actually had a few nights where I've fallen asleep on my own. So I do believe this product is life-changing. The next one that I'm going to test is going to be the sleep one specifically, in which you can expect a future video on that. If you have any questions about anything, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. Again, the website is a wealth of knowledge. I will have a link in the description. And again, this is all that I got to say. I feel like I've said too much in this video. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to ask down below. And again, this is it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't... Oh wow, I just realized I left my yoga mat out on the floor there. Then please don't hesitate and subscribe, become part of my random family. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day. The last thing I'll say is signing up for their emails is probably a good idea, because then you definitely would get a notification. Actually, no, I know from personal experience, you will be notified of all the sales that they have when they have them. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day. And you will see me again, hopefully, very soon. Bye.